Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-28 Lock and Security license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-28 contractor license? A C-28 license is issued to a contractor who evaluates, setups, installs, maintains, and repairs all doors and door assemblies, gates, locks, and locking devices, panic and fire-rated exit devices, manual and automatic operated gate and door closures, and releases, jail, and prison locking devices, and permanently installed or built-in safes and vaults. There are some basic requirements for this license. You have to be 18 years of age, have a valid driver's license, a social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There's also some experience requirements. You have to have 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and then document that experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the exam. The exam is closed book and there's no reference materials allowed to be brought into the testing facility. No books, no cards, no nothing, no notes. The questions are set up as multiple choice in an ABCD format. There are going to be some mathematical computations, and a calculator is provided to you. The testing is done on site, and the results are immediate. Let's take a look at the exam and the way it's broken down. It's divided into 6 major sections. Planning and estimating is about 25% of the exam. Installation, repair, and maintenance of doors and hardware, 20% of the exam questions will be covered by that. Installation, repair, and maintenance of electronic locking systems, 18%. Installation, repair, and maintenance of mechanical locking systems, 20%. Installation, repair, and maintenance of safes, vaults, and other security containers covers about only 5% of the questions. Let's look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. Which item would prevent an exit device from being fire-rated? B, a dogging assembly. 2, which pair of hardware finishes are the same? 613 and US 10B. And when selecting a power supply for a job using 4 0.75 amp electromagnetic locks, which is the best power supply? 4.0 amps. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of ABCD questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.